In this video, we compare DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and HS600 4K camera drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60fps HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20km FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. The Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone is equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization that ensures rock-solid flight stability while capturing breathtaking 4K video and 12 megapixel stills. It boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission, thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission, allowing users to explore a wide variety of terrains and capture great photos. The HS600 drone has a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes, thanks to its dual battery setup, providing ample time for uninterrupted aerial filming. The drone also features a level 6 wind resistance, allowing it to withstand strong winds and ensuring unwavering stability during flight. The HS600 drone's GPS intelligent return-to-home function provides added security, enabling one-key return, lost signal return, and low battery return features. Finally, the HS600 drone is beginner-friendly with its follow mode and waypoint mode, making it easier for enthusiasts to transition into experts. Comparing the DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and the HS600 4K camera drone, both drones have unique features that appeal to different user preferences. The DJI drone stands out with its 4K 60fps HDR video capabilities, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and an impressive flight time of up to 45 minutes per battery. This drone is particularly suitable for users who prioritize video quality and safety features. On the other hand, the HS600 drone boasts a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes and a 10,000 feet range transmission. Its level 6 wind resistance and GPS intelligent return-to-home function add to its reliability and user-friendliness. This drone is ideal for users who value flight time and range. In terms of price, the DJI drone is more expensive, but it also offers a higher review score. Ultimately, the choice between the two drones depends on the specific needs and budget of the user.